she just start walking? Because I haven't seen her walk at the beginning of the year.
Nope.
It's like the first time I've seen her.
She keeps that thing on pretty well. Hi, elephant bird.
Hey, my hair is actually really nice.
Hey, when do the monkeys go back on stage?
No, put your hair in a ponytail and
Yeah. Monkeys go back on stage. We're getting close. This is all for you, right? Coming up.
It's right after Hunches, so I think so.
Yeah. So and then right after all for you is Sour Kangaroo and the Arrest.
All for you just started, so we should be getting out there soon. Okay, which way do I come? This way. Yeah, this way.
Well, the Who's don't come on until after the Monkeys.
No, we don't go on until people tell it.
Yeah, in the middle of People Be.